Hi, my name is Justin Conway. I'm a Microsoft Excel expert, and I'm going to walk through the steps to adding a tick mark in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see in this grade book, down towards the bottom, let's say I wanted to keep track of who did their homework on what dates. And the easiest way to do that would really be if I could just click a tick mark like this and know whether the person completed them or not. So the way I inserted this tick mark, I'll start from the beginning, is first you have to make sure that the Developer tab is enabled. So from your Excel sheet, you're going to go into Excel, from Excel Preferences, click on Ribbon, and then scroll down. You want to make sure that your Developer tab is enabled, clicked, and click OK. And now you're going to see in your ribbon, or you may have already had it before if it was already displayed, the Developer tab. And then in here you can click radio button or checkbox, very similar, different options here. So I'm going to take the checkbox from here, and once you select it, it'll give you the sort of crosshairs. You can select in a cell, and it gave you your checkbox. And that's about it. You can move the checkbox around, manipulate it in different ways, shrink how big the checkbox is, and change the text within it. So we'll leave this one here the way it is for now, and now you can see that it's now an editable checkbox. You can also copy if you select a certain way within the box. You can select the cell and copy it and then paste down so that you can have all the different checkboxes going across the grid. And then you can then check them off as you go along. That's how to insert a tick box in Microsoft Excel. My name is Justin Conway, and I hope you enjoyed.